Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Let us discuss about SAP ABAP Full Stack Development question and answer. What is SAP ABAP? Answer: SAP ABAP Advanced Business Application Programming is a high-level programming language used for developing business application in the SAP environment. It's the primary language for customizing SAP software. What is SAP Full Stack Development? Answer: SAP Full Stack Development involves working on all layers of the SAP technology stack, including the front-end UI, back-end logic, and database. This includes SAP U15 for front-end development, ABAP for back-end logic, and SAP HANA or other database for data storage. What are the key components of SAP ABAP Full Stack? Answer: the key components include ABAP programming, writing backend logic and business process. SAP UI5, developing modern, responsive user interfaces. SAP HANA, leveraging in-memory database technology for high-performance data processing. How do you handle data retrieval and manipulation in SAP ABAP? Answer: data retrieval and manipulation in SAP ABAP are typically done using open SQL statements to interact with the database. ABAP provides powerful data manipulation features such as select, insert, update, modify, and delete statements. What is the role of SAP UI5 in ABAP full stack development? Answer: SAP UI5 is a primary framework for building web applications and user interfaces in the SAP ecosystem. In ABAP full stack development, SAP UI5 is used to create modern, responsive UIs that interact with the backend ABAP logic. Can you integrate non-SAP systems with ABAP development? Answer: yes. ABAP development supports integration with non-SAP system through various methods such as web service, SOAP RESTful, remote function call, OData services, and custom adapters. How do you handle security in SAP ABAP development? Answer: security in SAP ABAP development is critical and can be addressed to various measures such as role-based access control, authorization objects, input validation to prevent XUL, ingestion and other attacks, secure code practice, transport management to ensure controlled development of changes. What are the different development environments for SAP ABAP? Answer: SAP provides various development environments including ABAP development tools in Eclipse, SAP graphical user interface for traditional development, SAP Business Application Studio for cloud-based development. How do you optimize performance in ABAP development? Performance optimization in ABAP development can be achieved through efficient database access using approximate index, minimizing database round trips, proper use of ABAP contracts, avoiding nested loops, optimizing data processing logic, crashing frequently aside data, leveraging. What are the career opportunities for SAP ABAP full stack developers? Answer: SAP ABAP full stack developers are in demand across industries where SAP systems are implemented. They can work as SAP consultants, developers, technical architects, or in specialized roles such as SAP Fiori, UI5 developers, or SAP HANA developers. What is SAP Fiori and how does it relate to ABAP development? Answer: SAP Fiori is a design language and user experience UX framework developed by SAP for creating modern, responsive, and user-friendly applications. In ABAP development, Fiori applications can be built using SAP UI5, and ABAP is used for backend logic and integration with SAP systems. How do you handle error handling and debugging in SAP ABAP development? Answer: error handling in ABAP development involves using techniques such as exception handling, try catch blocks, and logging errors. Use tools like the SAP application log. BAL for debugging. Developers can use built-in tools like the ABAP debugger and the SAP code inspector to identify and resolve issues in code. Can you explain the concept of BAPIs, Business Application Programming Interfaces, in SAP ABAP development? Answer: BAPIs are standardized interfaces provided by SAP for accessing and interacting with SAP business objects and process. They allow external systems to call SAP systems remotely. In ABAP development, BAPIs can created using function modules and are commonly used for integrating SAP with external systems. How do you handle version control and transport management in ABAP development? Answer: version control in ABAP development is typically managed using SAP's transport management system, which allows developers to package and transport development objects. Example: program, sceneries, tables between different SAP systems, development quality, assurance, products. Changes are tracked using transport requests. What is the role of SAP Gateway in ABAP full stack development? Answer: SAP Gateway enables the integration of non-SAP systems and mobile device with SAP systems. It provides OData service for accessing SAP data and business process in a RESTful way. In ABAP full stack development, SAP Gateway is used to expose ABAP functionality as OData service for consumption by external applications. How do you perform unit testing in ABAP development? Answer: unit testing in ABAP development involves creating test classes and methods. Using the ABAP unit framework, developers write test code to verify the behavior of individual components. Example: function, module, classes in isolation. Test results are then evaluated to ensure the correctness of the developed functionality. What are the key considerations for ABAP development in a cloud environment? Answer: in a cloud environment, ABAP development may involve considerations such as leveraging cloud-based development tools like SAP Business Application Studio, integrating with cloud-based services and platform, ensuring scalability and availability of SAP applications, implementing security measures specific to the cloud environment. How do you handle internalization and localization in SAP ABAP development? Answer: internalization and localization in ABAP development involve designing applications to support multi-languages and regional settings. This includes using techniques such as language-specific text, using text symbols or translation tools. Date and number formatting based on user preferences and support for country specific requirements. Can you explain the concept of ABAP list viewer in SAP ABAP development? Answer. ALV is a framework provided by SAP for displaying tabular data in ABAP application. It offers various features for customizing the appearance and behavior of the output, such as sorting, filtering, and aggregations. ALV can be used to create interactive reports, list displays, and analytical application. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.